Good morning, YouTube. This morning I'm just taking you out on a little walk before work. Sometimes I go before, sometimes I go after. But today I haven't really got time to go after work, so I'm just going to go for a quick couple of miles now and cross over this main road in a minute, and we're going to get into some woodland. And the walk in the woodland is just beautiful, and the birdsong at this time of day is stunning. So I just have a little walk along here. Absolutely stunning woods. I love going for a walk in the mornings or the evenings. The health benefits are great. Just you get out, bit of nature, bit of fresh air, listen to the birds, meet the dog walkers, have a little natter on the way. It's great, absolutely fantastic for your health, for your mental health. Get to know the local area. All this is just 5 minutes from my front door, so it's not costing me fuel, I'm not having to go anywhere. It's amazing, really. What's not to love? Apart from the odd passing car, of course, but soon we'll be off the road and just into the beautiful, beautiful woods. I did this yesterday and a little bit round the road yesterday because it was really muddy, and today is going to be muddy too. I haven't got quite as much time today, so we're going to dive across into the woods in a few minutes and probably have to dodge some puddles and jump a couple of ditches, but you know, I don't mind that. Adds to the fun. The shoes will wash off afterwards. It's just about getting outside, you know. Just about getting outside, having a walk, a little bit out of breath maybe. You don't have to go fast. Just love listening to the birds on the way. Let's just check this road. Busy road, this one. So, it's like that, and we're into the woods. Now this drive actually goes down to a house, but we can turn off anywhere, in fact. Turn off down this track here. So a little bit of muck and mud to dive around. Not surprising really, the amount of rain that we've had in the last couple of days. It's nice to come out and walk in the dry though, that's for sure. Sometimes I run this little circuit, but today just felt like keeping myself upright really and just enjoying the walk and the birdsong. Fallen down tree. This wood is pretty well managed, to be fair, but this tree came down a few storms ago. I think this one's still not being dealt with, so I have to go for a little climb in here. This is what I love about coming out in the woods, is you just never know quite what you're going to find. Lots of little different paths, junctions we can take, which I love. Well, I've got to go to work after this today. Work's great and I love it. I love my job. Easy job. Nothing too strenuous. It's always good to start the day like this though, I think. Makes your mood happy. It makes me smile because you just come across lovely people. I love coming across people with dogs and having a chat. It doesn't bother me if I stop for a couple of minutes. So it makes a change when you can stop and have a little chat. So go along here, and this opens up a little bit into some grass and a lovely big country manor house. And it's just stunning, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? See? I have to be honest, I absolutely love where I live. Cornwall is the most beautiful, beautiful place. To think I grew up in Kent, hugely populated, hugely built up, beautiful places to walk, but actually this is quite possibly the best thing I ever did with my life. And it took some balls, you know. It took some balls. I did have a job. I came with a job. However, that came with getting rid of most of my furniture because I had to downsize. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is, if you've got a dream, if you've got somewhere you want to be, just do it. Don't sit there thinking about it. Don't sit there wondering, what if? Hang on, you might be able to hear a woodpecker in a second. Isn't that lovely? Woodpeckers, robins. Absolutely, it's just stunning in here. And anyway, I was saying, if you want to do something with your life, just do it. Just grab it with both hands. Get out there, pack your bags, chuck away what you don't need, and just do it. And I'll tell you what, you will never regret that decision. You'll never regret that decision. It will be the best thing you ever did. And I wake up every morning with a smile on my face. I go to bed every night with a smile on my face. What's not to love about this? 2 minutes from my front door. Well guys, I'm going to carry on with my walk. Just a couple of miles this morning. I'm going to carry on in the peace of the woods. And I'll see you on the next one.